If a guy starts kissing your neck during a makeout session, there are a few ways you can respond. If you're really into it, try gasping, moaning, or leaning your head to the side to expose more of your neck. You can also try wrapping your arms around him or running your hands through his hair. A passionate neck kiss can be a sign that he wants to take things to the next level. Try taking off your shirt, or his, if you think he's okay with it. When in doubt, ask him if he's ready to turn up the heat. Neck kissing can be super sexy, but it can also lead to hickeys if it gets out of hand. If you don't want any marks or hickeys, ask him to avoid sucking or nibbling on your neck. And if you're not into the neck kisses at all, don't hesitate to ask him to stop. Say something like, "I don't like how that feels," or "I'm not ready for that yet."